Hi students, welcome to MaxMe Education online classes. Today our topic 10th class chapter 6 progressions exercise 6.2 part 2 problem number 10 to 17. Now 10th problem. Two arithmetic progressions have same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? So here what we had is given two APs, arithmetic progressions. I am taking first arithmetic progressions, that is A100. A100 is equal to A plus 99D. Second AP, T100. I am taking another term, that is I am taking T100. That is equal to T plus 99 into K. Difference is some K. Here but common difference is equal. That's why I am taking K is equal to T only. Okay. 100 A100 minus T100 term 100 is equal to 100. By the condition is only given, because what is given? Difference between two APs is 100. Just I am applying here only. On that first term A plus 100 and second term T plus 99D is equal to 100. So A plus 99D minus T minus of minus and become I am multiplying minus within bracket all terms. So that is equal to A minus T is equal to 100, because 99D 99 both are get cancelled. Okay, so what is the condition? A minus T is equal to 100. Next, again what we have to find the difference between 1000th term. So A 1000 is equal to A plus 99D. So T 1000 is equal to T plus 99D. So A 1000 minus T 1000 is equal to A plus 99D minus T plus 99D. So A 1000 is equal to A plus 99D minus T minus 99. 99D 99D cancel. So A minus T is equal to 100. Therefore, common difference is always equal in two arithmetic progressions. Not only single term, all terms the common difference is equal. Next, 11th problem. How many 3 digits numbers are divisible by 7? So 3 digit numbers are started from 100 to 999. So first 100, 101, 100 continues so on up to 999. So first we are which small number is divisible by 7? Small 3 digit number we have to find. So first 100 I am taking 100. 100 I am dividing with 7. So coefficient is 2. Remainder is 2. Therefore, so what 100 plus 7 minus 2, that is equal to 105. So 105 is only first number which is divisible by 7. Next same we are divided with last number, that is 999. We are dividing with 7, we are getting remainder is 5. So 999 minus 5 you are getting 994. 994 is the last number, 105 is the first number. So what we have to find? How many numbers between these two? That is equal to, see what is the formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Given An is 994. D is equal to common difference. Difference we are multiples only 7. So difference is always 7. Common difference is 7. A is equal to 105. So I am substituting all equation on that only. So actually my intention is I have to find n only. So 994 is equal to 105 plus n minus 1 into 7. So 994 minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. So 994 minus 105 you are getting 889 is equal to 9 minus 1 into 7. Therefore 9 minus 1 is equal to 889 divided by 7, that is equal to 127. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 127. The n is equal to 127 plus 1, that is equal to 128. That means, so how many 3 digit numbers between 105 to 994? That is 128. Therefore 128 3 digits are divisible by 7. Okay. Next, 12th problem. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 to 250? So given numbers. solution. Given numbers from 10 to 250. So 12 is the first number. 10 is not divisible by 4, 11 is not divisible. Next 12 is the first number which is divisible by 4. Next we have to find the last number, that is the nearer to 250. So 4 divided with 250 are getting, remainder is 2, that is equal to 248 is the last number which is divisible by 4. Therefore an is equal to 248, a is equal to, that is the first number is 12, common difference is 4. Okay, right. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 248 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. So 248 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 4, that is equal to n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 236, because 248 minus 12 is equal to 236. n minus 1 is equal to 236 by 4, that is equal to 59. So n is equal to 59 plus 1, that is equal to 60. There are 60 numbers are divisible by 4 between 10 to 250. Okay. Next 13th term. For what value of n are the nth term of 2 APs? 63, and he is given 2 APs, that is the first arithmetic progression 63, 65, 67, and second arithmetic progression, that is the 3, 10, 17 and so on. So which terms both are equal? Which nth term there is equal? He is asking. So first given, first I am taking first AP. So first AP, that is a common difference is 2. In second AP, clearly observe common difference is 7. Then automatically somewhere both are definitely equal. So we have to find that number only. So first AP, that is equal to 63, 65, 67 and so on. So on that A first term is 63, common difference T2 minus T1 is equal to 2. Next an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to 63 plus n minus 1 into d means 2. This is equation 1. Next second AP. What is the second AP? 3, 10, 17 and so on. In that first term is 3. Common difference T2 minus T1 is equal to 7. That is a common difference d is equal to 7. Therefore, an is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. This is a second equation. But two equations are equal because by the condition is given only. Therefore, 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So, plus 3 bring that side, that is a minus 3, and plus n minus 1 into 2 bring that is equal to minus n minus 1. So, simplify 63 minus 3 is equal to 60 is equal to 7n minus 7 is equal to minus 2n plus 2. So, because minus multiplying in the bracket, automatically plus become minus, minus become plus. So, 60 is equal to 5n minus 5. So, because 7n minus 2n is equal to 5n, minus 7 plus 2 that is equal to minus 5. Therefore, 60 minus 5 bring that is equal to plus 5. 60 plus 5 is equal to 65. 65 is equal to 5n or 5n is equal to 65. Therefore, n is equal to 5 is a multiple, bring that another side, that is a divide. Therefore, 65 by 5 that is equal to 13. Therefore, the 13th term of two APs are equal. So, in the first AP, first arithmetic progression and second arithmetic program, both 13th terms are equal. Okay. Next, 14th problem. Determine the AP, that is arithmetic progressions, whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceed the fifth term by 12. Find the AP, that is arithmetic progression we have to find. So, given solution AP, third term is 16, that is equal to A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 16. That is given by author only. Next, A5 is equal to A plus 4D and A7 is equal to A plus 6D. But A7 minus A5 is equal to 12 by the condition given. So, A plus 6D minus A plus 4D is equal to 12. A plus 6D minus A minus 4D is equal to 12. So, 6D minus 4D, that is equal to 2D. 2D is equal to A get cancelled. So, 6D minus 4D is equal to 2D. So, 2D is equal to 12. D is equal to 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. So, A plus 2D, that is a common difference we got. So, A plus 2D is equal to 16. a plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. Therefore, a is equal to 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4. So, arithmetic progression. What is the common arithmetic progressions? A plus D, a plus 2D, a plus 3D and so on. So, a 4, comma 4 plus 6, comma 4 plus 2 into 6 plus 4 plus 3 into 6 and so on. Therefore, our progressions, arithmetic progression is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. This is our arithmetic progression. Next, fifth problem. Find the 20th term from the end of the AP. That is, what is the given AP? 3, 8, 13 up to 253. So, solution. Given arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13 and so on. So, last term is 253. Now, we have to find 20th term from 253. Back to where come front only. So, first A term, that is equal to A is equal to 3. That is the first term. D is equal to T2 minus T1. 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, An is the last term, that is the 253 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. So, plus 3 brings it, that is a minus 3. 253 minus 3 is equal to 250. 250 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. So, 250 multiple bring it as a division. 250 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 250 by 5 is equal to 50. 50 is equal to n minus 1. Or n is equal to 51. So, the 253 is the 51th term. So, we have to find 20th term from 51. That is equal to 1 plus 51 minus 20. We have to find 20th. That's why we are add 1. Therefore, 1 plus 51 minus 20, that is equal to 31. 1 plus 31 is equal to 32. Therefore, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, a32 we have to find. A32 is equal to a plus, that is 3 plus 31 into d. D is the 5. So, 3 plus 31 into 5, that is equal to 155. 3 plus 155, that is equal to 158. That is the answer. So, the 20th term from end of the AP, that is the 253, is 150. The sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of AP. So, what is the given condition? A4 plus A8, that is the 4th term and the 8th term is 24. Sum of the A4 and A8 is 24. What is the A4? A plus 3D. A8, A plus 7D is equal to 24. So, A plus A 2A is equal to 3D plus 7D is equal to 10D is equal to 24. This is equation 1. Next, again we are using second condition. What is the second condition? A 6th term plus 10th term. That is A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. What is the A6? A plus 5D plus A10. A plus 9D is equal to 44. A plus A 2A. 5D plus 9D is equal to 14D is equal to 44. So, what I am doing, equation 2 minus equation 1 right now. Equation 2, 2A plus 14 is equal to 44. 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Next, 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. I am doing subtraction. So, A get cancelled. 14D minus 10D is equal to 4D. 44 minus 24 is equal to 20. So, D is equal to 20 by 4, that is equal to 5. So, I want to substitute the equation, the value of D in equation 1. So, what is the equation? 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. 2A, 10, D is 5. 10 into 5 is equal to 50. 2A is equal to, so 24 minus 50, because plus 50 bring that side minus 50, that is equal to minus 26. A is equal to 26 by 2 minus 26 by 2, that is equal to minus 13. What is the general equation, general terms in AP, that is arithmetic progressions? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and so on. A is equal to minus 13, A plus D minus 13 plus 5. Next, A 2D, that is minus 13 plus 2 into 5. Next, minus 13 plus 3 into 5 and so on. So, minus 13 first term. Next, minus 13 plus 5 minus 8. Next, minus 3 minus 2, sorry, plus 2 and so on. That is the AP arithmetic progression. Next, Subbarao started work in 1995 at annual salary rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year, in which year he get rupees 7,000 salary. So solution, given Subbarao salary in 1995 rupees 5,000, every year increment is 200. So what is the meaning? 1995 he got 5,000, 96 he got 5,200, 97 he got 5,400, 5,600 and so on. That is it is in arithmetic progressions. So take the progressions, that is in the first term A is equal to 5,000, D is equal to 200 because every year he getting 200 extra. So increment AN is equal to 7,000. What we have to find nth term. So what is the common what is the principle? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is equal to 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus N minus 1 into 200. 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200 because plus 5,000 bring that result, that is a minus 5,000. Therefore 2,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. Therefore N minus 1 is equal to 2,000 by 200. So get cancel, N minus 1 is equal to 10. Therefore N is equal to 1 plus 10, that is equal to 11. Therefore 11th year Subbarao get 7,000 salary. Okay? Next. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you for watching my video. This is exercise 6.2 part 2. Okay. Thank you.